Hi, I'm Kunal Tibrewal. I'm a BCom graduate from Goenka College of Commerce, Kolkata. I did after my graduation, I worked with Deloitte Haskins and Sells as a tax consultant. I interned with ITC Limited as a sales and marketing intern, where my roles and responsibility were to create a influencer marketing campaign for a floor cleaner. The most important factor that I can think of is the role that the company is offering. It is important that at least, firstly, it has to be something that I actually wanted to do, or at least it could be something which maybe I want to explore. So the role would be the most important thing. Other things could include the company, the brand that is coming, the culture the company has, and also how much importance they actually give to the internship program is also a very important thing I look at. During the internship, the days are very different. So I'll start with the first phase. During the first phase, it's a lot about collecting the data, as much information as possible. And you might feel very clueless during the first phase because you don't know what is happening. But eventually, you'll get a hang of it. You'll realize that okay, things are getting into the place, and you might start getting something. And then I started actually seeing what I can do. I can plan a marketing campaign accordingly. So during the second phase, I was actually planning. I was pitching ideas to my friends and my seniors so that I could actually lock the final idea. Then the third phase was when I was thoroughly involved with actually implementing the campaigns that we had finalized. So it was a lot about talking to the agencies, finalizing the influencers that we want to do, and lastly, it was totally about collecting the results of the campaign, preparing my presentation, and making sure that I am able to convey what I wanted and what I've done during my internship to my CEO. Biggest hurdle that I can think of is probably that there was very limited scope to actually network with seniors and colleagues around you. And I think that is very important, especially in a marketing role where you have to actually pitch in a lot of ideas, discuss a lot of things, know people a lot to actually understand your cohort. So I think networking was one big issue. But to counter it, to actually get in like whatever I could with it, I actually tried to contact a lot of people around me, speak to a lot of my batchmates, regularly call my manager and my other seniors so that I'll be in touch. I'll get a lot of ideas from them and feedback from them. Probably the one thing which my seniors liked about me was that I was very implementation oriented. So basically, even though there was lockdown due to COVID, there was very limited scope to actually implement a marketing campaign. But I had planned very early on that I will implement at least one campaign. But eventually, I ended up doing two, which my seniors liked a lot. So I would say that one thing which can make you stand out is actually being implemented oriented, because implementing even a small thing adds a lot of value. So for ITC, the process is very simple. The internship selection process is very simple. They shortlist you. Then there's a GD, after which there's a psychometric test, and then there are two rounds of interview, and you finally clear it. Then moving forward, the internship program starts with a week of induction where they train you. They give you a lot of insight about ITC. They give you insight about how to run your internship, actually plan your internship. Then your mentor guides you that how you should start your internship program. Then after a month of internship, there's a midweek review where the director will actually sit with you, see your presentation, see your progress, and actually tell you what are the problems and what are the good things about the project that you're doing. And you'll get a lot of feedback which will give you a lot of scope to improve. And finally, after the end of the project, you'll again give a final presentation to the ITC CEO of that particular department, and they'll then again the presentation there is a lot about what the project actually was, what the results that actually came out, not how you did it. So the important part in the end presentation is what the results you got after the 2 months of internship you did.